Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a slide. So a slide 2, I guess, because I've already done a slide before. This is the second type of slide. So pretty much what you're going to have to do is count the first 2 blocks and turn the third one 2 times. Count 1 block, turn it 2 times, and make sure it looks like this. Alright, now count 2 blocks, turn it 2 times. And then count 1 block again and turn it 2 times. Alright, so now you have that sort of hexagon. And now you're going to turn this piece, so 1, 2, and then the third piece up. Like this. So that's like one end of the slide. Now you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then turn the 5th piece 2 times down. So now it looks like this, and now we're going to make the other end of the slide. So pretty much copying this thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn the 5th piece away from you, like that. Now count 2 pieces and turn it twice, so it's towards you. Now I count 1 piece and turn it twice. Now I count 2 pieces and turn it twice again. Count 1 piece and turn it twice again. And there you go. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.